The Nanosphere Active RF Decoy is an advanced electronic warfare tool designed to protect military assets by diverting radar-guided threats. This compact and highly effective system uses active radio frequency (RF) technology to create decoy signals that mimic the radar signature of military platforms, such as aircraft or vehicles. By emitting false signals, the nanosphere confuses and misleads enemy radar systems, drawing attention away from the actual target. Its small size allows for easy deployment across various platforms, enhancing survivability in contested environments. This innovative decoy system plays a crucial role in modern electronic warfare, offering a reliable line of defense against radar-guided attacks. The NH-90C is a state-of-the-art multi-role helicopter designed for naval operations, offering versatility and advanced capabilities for maritime missions. Developed by NH Industries, this helicopter is renowned for its performance in both anti-submarine warfare (ASW) and search and rescue (SAR) roles. Equipped with sophisticated avionics and sensors, the NH-90C provides superior situational awareness and operational effectiveness. Its robust design ensures reliable performance in harsh sea conditions, while its spacious cabin can accommodate various configurations for personnel, cargo, or mission-specific equipment. The NH-90C's powerful engines and advanced flight systems enable it to operate effectively from naval vessels, making it an essential asset for modern naval forces. The Trophy System is an advanced active protection system designed to defend military vehicles against incoming threats such as anti-tank missiles and rocket-propelled grenades. Developed by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems, the Trophy System uses a combination of radar, sensors, and interceptors to detect and neutralize threats before they can impact the vehicle. When a threat is detected, the system's radar tracks the incoming projectile and triggers small, explosive countermeasures to intercept and destroy it mid-air. This proactive defense mechanism significantly enhances the survivability of armored vehicles in combat by providing real-time protection against a wide range of anti-tank weapons. The Trophy System is known for its reliability and effectiveness, making it a critical component of modern military vehicle protection. The Enduro Ghost Shark is an advanced autonomous underwater vehicle (AUV) designed for military and defense applications, specializing in intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) missions. Developed by Enduro Industries, this cutting-edge AUV operates autonomously in deep and shallow waters, providing real-time data collection and situational awareness. Ghost Shark's stealthy design and low acoustic signature make it difficult to detect, allowing it to gather intelligence discreetly. Equipped with advanced sensors and AI-driven navigation, it can perform complex missions, such as tracking submarines or monitoring underwater activity, without the need for human intervention. The Enduro Ghost Shark is a vital asset for modern naval operations, enhancing underwater security and intelligence capabilities. The AMIGS AI Fusion Mobile Integrated Guard System is an advanced, AI-powered security system designed to provide comprehensive and real-time protection. Combining artificial intelligence with mobile technology, AMIGS enhances situational awareness by utilizing features such as facial recognition, motion detection, and predictive analytics to identify and respond to potential threats instantly. Its mobile integration allows security personnel to remotely monitor areas and receive live updates, offering flexibility and rapid response capabilities. This system is highly versatile, making it ideal for use in a wide range of environments, including industrial sites, public spaces, and critical infrastructure. The AMIG system brings a new level of intelligence and automation to security operations, improving overall safety and efficiency. The HIS HD Thermal Sniper Sight is an advanced thermal imaging system designed to enhance the accuracy and effectiveness of snipers in low-visibility conditions. Developed for military and law enforcement use, the HIS HD provides high-definition thermal imaging, allowing operators to detect and engage targets through smoke, fog, and complete darkness. The sight offers a clear thermal picture with precise target recognition at long distances, making it ideal for complex environments. Its rugged and lightweight design ensures durability and ease of use in the field, while its real-time imaging and targeting capabilities give snipers a significant tactical advantage. The HIS HD thermal sniper sight is a game-changer in modern warfare, providing unmatched situational awareness and precision in challenging conditions. The Elbit Systems Bird of Prey is a state-of-the-art unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, designed for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) missions. Known for its advanced capabilities, the Bird of Prey combines cutting-edge technology with exceptional performance. Its compact and aerodynamic design allows for high maneuverability and efficient operation in various environments. Equipped with sophisticated sensors and high-resolution cameras, it provides real-time, detailed imagery and data, enhancing situational awareness for operators. The Bird of Prey's versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of missions, including tactical reconnaissance and border patrol. Its advanced avionics and autonomous flight features ensure precise and reliable performance, making it a valuable asset for modern defense and security operations.